The main challenge lies in reconciling the compostability and durability of PLA products, because PLA is a compostable and not designed for being durable and last long. So what I'm gonna do is to make it more durable. And how? So the answer is working with crystallinity, a specific technical term in material science. So by increasing the crystallinity, we can make it more durable to last longer.
So the main challenges that we have in the plastic is the contamination that comes from the external sources and the material itself, which may release some toxic substances that make it very difficult to require the standard for the food contact appliances. So these contaminations are often some toxic elements that is not good for this food. And these challenges with the traditional recycling method that we have are still there, and it's not possible to convert this plastic to the food grade. For that, we are looking for the new technologies to convert this plastic in food requirement. But up to now, we don't have these technologies, especially for the plastic from end of life. We don't have technology and regulation, or we don't even have the lab scale result to convert this plastic to the food contact appliance.
Well, PLA is a bio-based polymer derived from renewable resources. So the idea is that we can replace the fossil-based fuel and fossil-based polymers and conventional polymers to a more sustainable polymer like PLA. So in this case, we can have, for example, as a reference, in this case, we can have a food box for Serenade, so which is safe for food contact applications. As I told, it is a bio-based polymer, so we can have a more sustainable food packaging. And one of the main limitations of, apart from the compostability and durability, one of the other limitation is the low thermal stability of PLA. So normally PLA cannot withstand high temperature. For example, imagine that we have a food container for Serenade, and since it should go inside the dishwasher, it cannot withstand the temperatures in dishwasher, which is something like around 65 to 80. So what I'm gonna do is make it more durable to withstand higher temperatures. And how? The answer is again the crystallinity. By increasing the crystallinity, you can make it more durable to higher temperatures.
End-of-life plastic that I am focusing on is these are come from household appliances. In easy language, I can say that TVs, fridges, coffee machines, and irons, they're all small and large house appliances that we use in our offices and home. So I'm targeting these products to convert their plastic into the food container, our food packaging. And for that, I'm using the method of dissolution-based recycling, which is mainly new technology, and by using solvent to dissolve this plastic and remove this contamination, which are some additive and some toxic elements in this plastic during their process and also during their collection of the waste, to make them very pure, very high purity plastic, and then convert it to the food boxes to achieve this food standard level.
Well, as I mentioned, PLA is a bio-based polymer by which you can make different products which can be compostable at the end. So imagine that you, in the Serenade project, you will have a food container, and you can be sure that they will be changed to compost instead of being last long for hundreds of years like conventional polymers which are in the market. so they will not release any toxic substances or they will not contaminate the soils and environment.
The main challenges for the plastic to convert it back to the food contact requirement is the contamination that the plastic have from external sources and their material itself. And these contaminations like residues, additives and some toxic elements that are used in the plastic. And often it's very difficult to remove these contamination and residues using traditional mechanical recycling methods that we have in industrial scales. And it's not possible to remove these toxic elements that we have in very high purity. So these are the main challenges that up to now we don't have these product from the recycled one. And we are looking with the new technologies to recycle them.